Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can see the username option. Tap on it. Clear your current username and enter the new username. Once you have finished, tap on the Done button in the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. And this is how you can change your username on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.